This video will show you how to detect errors in the simulation and find the lines in the program where the errors occurred. Here we have a Vericut project open. The Vericut setup is complete, and now we can process the NC program and detect errors in the simulation. Vericut provides many tools to detect errors and precisely find which line in the NC program caused them. Perform syntax check causes Vericut to check all NC programs and subroutines, referenced by the current setup for syntax errors. Each syntax error that is found is written to the message area. When you select an error in the message area, the corresponding block in the NC program window is highlighted. Vericut can also be set to automatically check for syntax errors when a project file is opened. NC Program Preview processes the NC programs without performing material removal on the stock model, allowing you to quickly detect errors. It hides the stock and displays the design model, displays the tool trace represented by the NC program, and reports all errors found. NC Program Preview detects any errors that do not require processing the material removal. While in preview mode, if you select an error in the message area, the NC program panel highlights the line which caused the error, and the graphics area updates to reflect what is occurring in the NC program. The simulation controls allow for forward and backward motions to better interrogate the motion which caused the error. To exit preview mode, click on the NC Program Preview icon. Now let's play the simulation from beginning to end. The Vericut log file contains the session's information, such as errors, warnings, informational messages about the verification session, and a summary of all cutting tools processed. NC Program Review puts Vericut into review mode. It allows you to quickly and easily view and replay a previously processed NC program and can be accessed at any point in the verification process. While in review mode, you can click on a feature or a tool trace in the graphics area and have the simulation jump to that line in the NC program. In review mode, the simulation controls and message area are interactive, like we saw with preview mode. To exit review mode, click on the NC Program Review icon. A tool holder getting very close to the stock or fixture may be something you want Vericut to report. Features in this menu enable you to specify collision conditions that you want Vericut to check during processing. Notice that the status shows 11 errors. Let's reset and play the simulation again, this time with the animation slider all the way to the right. After processing, we have more errors. The new errors show us where the tool holder violated the near-miss setting. And that's it. For more information on the features you have seen here, see the Vericut help.